Hello everybody, this is Raf. Many of you know me from UK Bonkies, and I want to introduce to you a very good tool from China. This is foil picking for dimple locks, which when used in the right hands can open locks within 15 minutes. I'm going to introduce the tool for you. First, this is the foil which we get with the tool, and we need to prepare it. Usually you prepare 20 before, 20 pieces. Well, what I'm actually doing now is preparing. You need to make holes for the dipper pins to go in. So this is the key that comes with it. You just make little marks as shown. And then you cut the foil itself. As you can see, there's another preparation for that. Using the other side of this tool to adjust the foil so it will go on smoothly. Would work fantastic on Spanish dimple locks and many other etc. So basically that was the preparing of the foil. Take this one out, and now we're going to really use it. Now this tool would use to rotate the foil. It can be used on right profile or left profile, that depends on how you insert the tool. As you can see now, this is like a key now, and this middle lane can go in and out, and this is where I'm putting the foil on and removing it after it's in the lock. And the preparation might take a few minutes, but if you prepare it before a job, it would go on smoothly. Now, it's the final preparation of really tightening the foil. See that? And now when you insert that into the lock, you have to jiggle with it. In the right manner, it will go all the way through. Now you take the middle lane out like this, tighten this thing again, and you jiggle the lock. That's it, that's the opening of the lock, and the most fantastic thing about it, it will keep spinning, meaning you don't have to do double picking for any direction. So
you also rotate it the other way around?
Yes, all the way around. Giving, doesn't matter where the lock is, all the way around. Oops. Well, sometimes it's stuck in the middle, but you get the idea. So this is a Tuschka lock from Germany, supposed to be high security with a card, with a copy restricted card, supposed to be with 6 pins.
Can you remove the tool?
Yes, yes. Once you remove the tool, you see what happened. You just copy the pins. And the tip pins will go through. That's why we cut them, make it possible for them to work.
Can you lay it on the table?
Yes, yes.
To zoom into.
Yeah. I want to try. I want to try to see maybe if I'll put it on the other side now. Maybe it will open the lock. I'm not sure. Oh.
Funny.
You basically have the key for it.
Okay. Well, can you tell me a little bit more about the kit? What comes into the kit?
There are a few kits, all from China. This is the big kit that comes with all different key profiles for all sorts of locks that I've never seen before. Probably you have it in China, but I've never seen them. That's supposed to be the expensive kit one. Comes with a disc and loads of foil. And you can get one cheaper that will only have this tool, 3 pieces of foil, and this. So it's up to you to decide if you really need those. I mean, if you're China, you might be needing this, but if not, but you must keep in mind that after you see that crack over here, Barry. After a few times that you use it, it will break. So basically, you have to take that into consideration. That if you really need to work with that, you might as well order a few of them.
Perfect.
Thank you, Barry. Thank you for watching.
Thank you. Well, thank you, Rafi.
Thank you, Barry. Thank you, Tools.
开锁培训视频教程大全是有多位开锁专家经过几十年的时间，收集国内外全部开锁资料，培训教程及视频，资料更新及时，是目前国内开锁教程最全、最新、排名第一的开锁资料网站。本站珍重承诺，您需要的资料这里没有，退全部费用。您看视频后学不会开锁，退全部费用。您学的资料不是最新视频，退全部费用。通过视频学习开锁知识，可在短短1周时间快速掌握开锁技术，自己开店当老板。日进斗金不是梦。